Do you see this highlight? Oh. What's up, you guys? So I'm back for another video, and as you can tell by the title, today we're doing our makeup. So I wanted to take y'all with me. I wanted to do a little chit chat about everything, so just come along with me if you want to come. But first, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? I will give you a couple seconds to do it. Okay, now you can be a part of our family and you can watch the video. Also, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. Follow me on my socials, whatever. All the information is going to be in the description box, by the way. But yeah, I'm not about to ramble. You already know the deal. We jumping right into this.
But he live in a palace.
Alright, y'all, so I already put like lotion on my face, did my brows just to save us some time. So my foundation is this guy, the All Hours YSL, and I am B65 Bronze. To start it off, I have two wet beauty blenders, one for concealer, one for foundation. I know they're dirty, don't say nothing. Alright, so I usually start on this side of my face. So we just do it like this. And I try to like evenly distribute it across my whole face. You know, the two most requested things that everybody asks me for is makeup looks and like how to be confident. So, because I love y'all, I'm like, how about I put them together? So, I'm gonna just talk to y'all about being a baddie on the outside and inside. Because you could be as cute as you want to on the outside, but if you're not matching it on the inside, it's a waste. First things first, you cannot get all your confidence from the outside of you. Because like, let's say all your confidence is just like, oh, I have a good body, so that's why I'm confident, or whatever. You know how many girls are with good bodies? Like, you need to realize your inner confidence. You gotta be confident in you. Like, if all your looks and everything went away today, you should still be confident. Hold up, because I'm about to be like, ugh. Like, y'all gotta be confident in your personality. Like, walk into a room and take it over just with your personality, not just your looks. You know what I mean? Because looks can only, you know, keep attention for so long. And I'm not even saying from men, I'm just saying from like everybody in general. Like, it only goes so far. There's millions and millions of people just in America alone, and you think like just your body's gonna hold you. Like, it's really not. Clearly y'all can see I spend a lot of time on my foundation. Clearly y'all can see I spend a lot of time on my foundation only because I want it to be like an even layer. And then I let it kind of sink into my skin for like, how long? Like 30 seconds or so when I'm done like squishing. And then I flip it to this side and then I pat my face in. And then it's like airbrush. So we're gonna wait 30 seconds. Alright, so I feel like it kind of dried, so I'm switching now to this side. And I'm just pushing it even further, like getting in like little corners and stuff like that. Just like really making sure everything is nice and blended. This is my concealer. So I'm going in with warm sand and then sand. Just a little bit of sand though. Step 2 probably would be to stop trying to be like everybody else. Because now you just like a replica. Like, oh my gosh. Let me explain. I feel like people be seeing these girls on Instagram and stuff and trying to imitate their every move, and like that's just so whack, because you're not yourself, sis, and you can only keep that up for so long. Like, fine, you might get followers, you might whatever, but you're not gonna be happy and people are gonna be able to tell that. Like, that's not you. So if you are the girl that likes wearing crop tops and stuff like that, wear them, wear your stuff, and be confident in it, rock your stuff. But if you're not, if you're the type of girl that's comfortable in like overalls or something, wear your overalls, because that happiness and stuff is going to show and you're going to be more confident. You're not gonna be confident forcing yourself in something that everybody else wearing. Like, plus, why would you want to be a clone? Like, I don't get it. Also, do not feel obligated to use all the products that I'm using, because like the YSL foundation is super expensive, like 2 concealers, like you do not need all that. That's just my personal preference. But other good places, Colourpop has cheaper makeup, the drugstore has good makeup, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, really good. Like, you do not have to use all this. So now my foundation is on and blended, and so is my concealer. So next, so yeah, I did just pick this up, but I've only tried it like twice, so I don't want y'all to go get it yet. I'll let y'all know. This is a sponge I just got from TJ Maxx, I think, and I'm using this dry instead of a wet sponge because wet with powder. Step 3 would be not to be a hater, and that might be really hard for some people, but that's your biggest setback. Speaking out negativity on other people, and I got 2 mirrors by the way, which is why I'm looking like this and this, but anyway, speaking out on other people and like wishing them bad and like just whatever, like that's just so trash, y'all. Like you can't expect to put out all that negativity and then get back positivity. How that make any sense? It don't. You gotta be better. Like you can't sit there and be like, sis thinks she's all that. No, you think she's all that. She never said that. You did out your own mouth. And I just feel like some of y'all, not y'all, but you know what I'm saying, like some of y'all be telling on yourselves by hating on people so bad. Like you just be letting me know what your insecurities are. Like don't be giving people that ammo of like, for example, let's say a girl's super thick or something, and you like, she fat, like, or she thinks she bad, she probably got a butt job, blah 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 blah, like all this extra stuff, right? You just let everybody around you know that you're insecure and you wish you was thick. Like, don't do that. Clearly you just mad. I don't get that, bro. I would never let somebody know. Heck no. Yes, I have insecurities just like everybody else, but do you think I'm gonna expose myself in a way like that? Oh my gosh. Heck no. Heck no. Heck no. I'm gonna just put a little bit more in my struggle spots. So for the purposes of this video, I am going to be using my contour stick. I don't like the smell of these though. They be smelling like crayon boxes, but whatever. So this is the one I use, the Make No Mistake. It's a foundation and concealer stick, but I just got mine in Teak, I think. Yeah, mine's in Teak just because I could contour with it. So here we go. The way I contour is I go up a little bit than like my actual line would be, because when I blend it out it's gonna come down and I don't want it to be down here, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go up a little bit. You see, like it should be like a little bit below, but it's gonna be up. And then I look at myself, I'm looking at myself in this mirror, and I kind of like go across my face to see like, yeah, where the other line should be at, so they're kind of symmetrical. I take 201 brush from Sephora and I take this side, and then I kind of squeeze it with my fingers. I need to get a new one because I don't like this, but I'm just letting y'all know. I kind of squeeze it to get like more precise than I would if I didn't, and then I kind of like just like let it fly or whatever. So see how it still came down anyway, and I'm still gonna have to clean that up. Like that's why I always have to start high. And then I'm going to take Becca. Can y'all see? This packaging is so nice. Kind of just like run down the same line. Boop, boop, boop. Now me personally, I'm not too much of a blush girl, so when I do use blush, it is very minimal. So I'm using another Becca blush. Look how cute and small they are. This is in Songbird. I also, oh, this is a Bare Minerals brush. Don't know what it is though, but it's Bare Minerals. And I like, baby, lightly dip into there, boop, boop, and then smile. And just kind of run up the whole cheek. We are going to get right up under that cheek like this and just let that sit there. This is the only, I can't even, baking thing that I do. I didn't really try to even these out, but I should have. And then I kind of like blend it down. Yes, see, you want to chisel the cheek. So now I'm blending down. Now, since we're doing this baddie tutorial, right? So I'm going in with my highlight, my champagne pop from Becca, y'all know. And then I take my little fan brush. For the first time, I take a fan brush. And I just dusty dust. Y'all already see it's popping. Just a little dust. I take a smaller brush. I'm sorry, I have no idea where I got these brushes from. Probably Sigma in like a big long pack. I take a little bit on the nose. I did a little. See? And I kind of like dust with my hands because I don't want it to be too much. I come over this mouth. Oh. It's Eyeko London. So, and I can't talk. So now I'm just going to take, my mini Better Than Sex. And I don't want to do too much lash only because I am going to be putting on lashes. So I just need something to blend with the lash, you know. So I'm taking my Lilly lashes in Miami. Alright, so I let my lashes dry for like a minute or two. Okay, so then step 4 would be to not depend on a man to make you feel like a baddie, because what? Like, men really don't know what they want. I'm not talking about my man, I'm just talking about everybody else. Half the time it's like, oh yeah, like I want a thick chick, blah, 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 all this stuff. And then when they be seeing like thick johns on Instagram, they be like, oh, she's fake, the body's fake though, blah, 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 blah. Did you specify that? Was that in the rules of thickness? You just said you wanted thickness. Nobody said if it was real or not. Like, what y'all really want? No matter which route you take, that don't guarantee you a man. The only attention you should be worried about is attention on yourself. So I would say, don't be dependent on a man for attention and to be validated. No, we don't do that. Heck no. You gotta validate yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror and be like, damn, you look great today. Alright, so we are on the last couple of steps. So, like that. Then, I take a smaller brush. Take that highlight again. And just ever so slightly, while my face is wet. See that? Woo! Oh my gosh. Y'all, do y'all see it? Are y'all blind? I'm so sorry. Don't sue me. So y'all see this highlight. I know y'all see it, so it's whatever. Y'all see it, I see it, we see it. Anyway, last step is gonna be the lips. So I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever in Versatile Chesnut. And you see. Then I'm gonna go in with my NYX, the soft cream. It's in London. This is literally like my favorite nude. I've been wearing this forever. Just kind of get it out of there. Then I'm going to take this Colourpop. You can see it's literally empty. And this is the thing about Colourpop. Love it. Great products. But they give you what you pay for. You pay for $5 worth of product, you are going to get $5 worth of product. I have used this like not even more than 3-4 times. Five max. 3-4 times. And it's basically done. So that's just one thing I have to tell you. Especially because you have to order it. Like, it is kind of a hassle. But it's cute products. And this is their ultra glossy lip, so I really like it. So, boop, boop, boop. Okay. So the lip looks like this. Super glossy, super cute. I'm gonna take some pictures, and then I'm gonna show y'all the pics. So I just took all my pictures. I'm gonna insert some or whatever. And yeah, I had fun doing this with y'all. Hopefully you guys got something from this, enjoyed this. If so, comment below, all that stuff. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next one. Do you see this highlight? Oh. Do you see this highlight? Whoa.